KFC?
KFC.
Good day to all the ladies and gentlemen. Today we will be sharing about KFC holding Malaysia Berhad experiencing crisis. So first, let me tell you a little more of what is KFC is all about. KFC is a shortened version for Kentucky Fried Chicken, a fast food restaurant chain based in Louisville, Kentucky. That was founded in 1952 by Colonel Harlan Sanders. Kentucky Fried Chicken's recipe includes 11 herb and spice blended and has expanded to the rest of America through franchising. That special recipe had made its way to Malaysia by the early 1970s. In 1973, on Jalan Tuanku Abdul Rahman, the first KFC restaurant was opened. KFC Malaysia has around 500 franchise locations in Malaysia and is still growing. KFC has become synonymous with delicious chicken and Malaysians have been enjoying it since then. KFC Holdings Berhad is a chicken retail chain in Malaysia. It is not only a fast food company, but it's also heavily involved in poultry manufacturing and processing, as well as a variety of supplementary businesses such as agricultural activities, baking, and sauce production. KFC Holding has established itself as a major player in Malaysian business and retail, with a good reputation for high-quality products, prompt and friendly service, and financial stability. Without a doubt, KFC Holdings is the only KFC restaurant operator in the world that serves a larger share of the Western quick service restaurant market than McDonald's.
On 6 February 2013, the kitchen staff of KFC ICD outlet at Shah Alam has gone violent toward that of the customers due to miscommunication. As for this incident, it was categorized under the unintentional case of crisis. The incident happened due to some misunderstanding between the worker and a customer who has been waiting for the food for some time and did not get the food. The customer was then put on the floor after a heated argument between the staff and the customer. Several KFC employees were seen attempting to restrain their colleague, but he managed to land a punch on them. The video of the fight case went viral afterwards on YouTube and received many negative feedback from the society in the social media. In this situation, we could see that the incident could be a threat to the company as KFC Holding is known as one of the most popular franchise businesses around the world. And with just a minor crisis, it could tarnish the brand name in just a second as it only takes one bad location to taint KFC's entire franchise. Thus, KFC Holding took a quick action in response to the crisis with proper alternative to solve the communication issue specifically within the customers and the staff.
Incident of KFC Malaysia hoarding at ICT Shah Alam outlet got to do with the coupon voucher last-minute redemptions. As well, the victim's customer waited for an hour long for his fried chicken, but when it comes to his turn, the outlet chicken out of stock. Dissatisfaction feeling appeared toward the customer and tensions occurs being verbally abusive between two parties. An employee replied after sensitive words toward the victims, plus which leads to physically attacking a customer turned to much worse. KFC should be back of responsibility by managing their standard operating procedures, by constant training and quality control to serve the customer within a certain period of waiting. Instead, in the proper way, the staff should be apologizing for running out of stock and offer to give the compensations to the customer that did wait for an hour long can prevent conflicts from happen. KFC Malaysia respond on their Facebook page that they are aware of the incident video that been viral and currently investigating the issues. Public will be updated on the company's investigations into the alleged assault by posting regular updates on their Facebook page. Further, KFC management of Deputy President has extended sincerely apologized for the unsatisfactory service rendered by staff and inconvenience caused to all customers were present during that day, particularly to Mr. Danny and G. Chi Fei and his family by meet during a short meeting. Moreover, stated that management deeply regrets the occurrence this incident and will further improve across all restaurants and all members of the team to avoid recurrence such incident and to provide only the best service to all customers.
Next, I will tell you about the Respond team. The Respond team include corporate communications, customer support and marketing, social media, and legal. Corporate communications refers to a collection of strategies for organizing all internal and external relations. The actions taken in minimizing the impact of the crisis is the corporate communications made a press statement. This aims to convey authentic information to the public so that there is no confusion and slander. Second, customer service team is the assistance you provide to your clients before and after they purchase and use your goods or services. The actions taken by the KFC through that crisis is give relevant answers to the questions given using polite language. By giving answers to customer feels valued, especially if they use polite language, even if they are criticized by customers emotionally. Third, social networking is a type of internet marketing that entices producing and posting contents on social media networks. The actions taken by the KFC to minimizing the impact of the crisis is created a page on Facebook to tell its side of the story in order to regain customer trust. The company has acted swiftly by continuing to post daily updates on its Facebook page to keep consumers informed about the company's inquiry and to try to ease the consumer outrage over the incident. Lastly, legal is a term based on the rules and recommended by the law. The legal responsibility in a company is to discipline employees. The actions taken by the KFC through that crisis is to make sure staff obey the rules and regulations. This is to ensure that employees do not follow their feelings when dealing with rude customers. Employees need to be professional when working.
For conclusion, as we all know, social media plays the main role in spreading the news. Either it is true or not, it keeps spreading and become worse. At the end, without any solution, social media is the main channel that is used by society to spread the news about what happened in KFC Malaysia. Like the crisis that happened to the KFC outlet in ICT Shah Alam, one of the customers had recorded what happened on February 6, 2012. He had spread the incident to the social media. The incident that happened to the KFC, which is one of the customer has waited for a long time for his order, but after a long waited, the staff told that the fried chicken was out of stock. It became misunderstanding between the customer and the staff. But at the end, it getting more worse after one of the staff grabbed the customer from behind and hurled him toward the table. In this report, we had offered an explanation of the action taken by the response team in addressing the crisis. Response team is one of the main management that need to act immediately in solving the crisis. They have used 4 departments in solving this crisis, which is corporate communication, customer support and marketing, social media and legal. Response team has their own roles in solving the crisis. Since KFC was one of the big name in Malaysia, they need to resolve the crisis immediately. Due to the immediate action of the team, KFC good name could be saved from getting worse. It is hoped that after the incident, KFC will be smarter in handling the crisis. The immediate action taken is very fast and can be easily resolved with the cooperation of many parties. Thank you. That's all from us.